Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, the Great Tay. If it's your first time here, welcome. So for today's vlog, I'm gonna take you guys out with me to do some microblading. I'm gonna touch up my eyebrows. I don't know if you can see, so I'm gonna take you guys along with me. I'm gonna film it. Hopefully I'm able to film it, so I'm gonna film it. I'm gonna show you guys how it works. I've done it before, and yes, it does hurt. I did one session. I was supposed to go back, I think 4 months after or something of that sort, but I just didn't go back. So now, because you know we were under lockdown and all that stuff, so now I'm gonna go back to get my touch up and, you know, get my eyebrows looking all nice and stuff. But like right now I have, it's really black, so I'm gonna try to get it to be dark brown because my natural eyebrows are not like jet black, right? So I'm gonna get it to be dark brown. So that's what we're doing today, guys. So when I get there, we'll link up. And another thing, you guys, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, feel free to subscribe. It is free, okay? So just hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video, share this video with a friend, tell a friend to tell a friend, tell a friend to tell a friend, and leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what else you guys would love to see, okay? So let's go.